Hey guys, what's this video is all about? You asked, we got it for you. Here's the camera comparison between the OnePlus latest offering, OnePlus 5T, and the greatest competitor from Huawei, the Honor 8 Pro. So before that, this is Ram and you are here in Tech for Doom, so let's get started. Here, both the phones got a dual camera setup. The OnePlus 5T sports a 16 and 20 megapixel shooter, and here the secondary shooter is a low light sensor with a 16 megapixel front facing camera, while the Honor 8 Pro sports dual 12 megapixel rear facing camera with a monochrome sensor and a 8 MP front camera. So before just getting a verdict, let's see some sample shots from both the offerings and see who rules the game here.
The 5T produces more natural pics, while the colors are tad bit boosted on the Honor 8 Pro. In this pic, it's more evident. The leaves on the 8 Pro are more punchier, while the 5T produces more natural. The 5T got more dynamic range. Look at the clouds on the Honor 8 Pro, it's blown out. And another example showing more detail on the 5T. In this picture, look at the clouds and the trees. The trees are shadowed a lot. Surprisingly, the portrait shot edge detection is better on Honor 8 Pro. Look at the yellow t-shirt, it's blown out. See the choco sticks in this image, it's more obvious. These pics, the edges were perfect. Few pics shot with the front facing camera. The OnePlus 5T has done a pretty good job in low lighting. Look at the rest in both the pics. There is no need of any captions. The Honor 8 Pro struggles a lot. The banner has more noise in the 8 Pro. Some more shots took in the front camera. But both struggles a lot in portrait mode in low lighting.
We have also seen the samples and it's time for verdict, right? Both the cameras did an amazing job, but the OnePlus 5T got a slighter edge on the color reproduction, better dynamic range and obviously better improvements on the low light conditions, while the Honor 8 Pro got an edge on the portrait mode without missing out the edges, and the videos are a bit more stable than the OnePlus 5T. So that's it. If you are on a tight budget, grab the Honor 8 Pro, or if money is not an issue for you, go ahead for the OnePlus 5T. So what's your decision? Let me know in comments. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, hit subs and do like it for more awesome content. Until then, this is Ram and I'm signing off.